Okay, here we are. We made it to La Placita Saturday night. It's looking kind of bare at the moment, but in about another hour, it will be packed. People dancing in the streets, walking around, having a good time. Okay. It's wall-to-wall bars, restaurants, entertainment. I guess about 9 o'clock, especially on Friday and Saturday, the street will be packed with people salsa dancing and hooping and hollering. There you go. Street after street after street of nothing but a good time. Okay, I can't walk and watch, so I'll catch you in a little while. Adios. La Placita. If you're ever in Puerto Rico, be sure and come here. It's 2-3 miles from San Juan. 4 or 5 miles from where we live. I'd say probably 40% of these people are tourists and 60% are residents that do this every weekend. And it is the off season.